Hello, everyone. Today, I will show you how to buy and cancel a Whop store membership using Discord. Start by choosing the Whop store you want to join. Find your desired package and click the Join button. Fill in your debit or credit card information along with your address. After entering your information, click on I agree to all terms and conditions. Click the Join button and wait for payment confirmation. Whop will send an OTP code to your email. Open your email, copy the OTP code, and paste it into the Whop page. Once you complete the above steps, you will receive a confirmation email indicating that you have purchased the membership. Enter your name and unique username. Then click Next. You can upload a profile picture or choose from the provided avatars, and then hit the Save button. This is your Whop dashboard, which shows the package you purchased from that server's Whop store. Click the Join Discord button to connect your Discord account with Whop. If you want to join the server later after purchasing the membership, you can follow the same steps to access the server properly. For this video, I'm using my alternative account. Once your account is connected successfully, wait for the process to complete. If you receive a pop-up, click on Move to this account or follow the prompts. Ensure you are using the correct Discord account and click the Claim Access button. This will redirect you to the Discord server and assign you the correct role and permissions, allowing you to access the premium section. This is how you can easily obtain a Whop membership. Now, let me guide you on how to cancel any active membership on the Whop store. Go back to the Whop dashboard and refresh the page. Select your Whop store and click on the three dots. Then choose the Manage Membership option. Here, you can manage your membership settings, including options to request a refund, cancel the membership, update payment methods for future payments, or get help and support. To cancel your Whop membership, provide a reason for cancellation and leave feedback if you wish. Then click on the Cancel Membership button. You should see a message stating that your membership has been successfully canceled. You will also receive a confirmation email from Whop. You can still access the server until your free trial expires. After that, you will lose access to the roles and permissions on that server. You can join my Discord server for our services, and feel free to check out our portfolio and see members' feedback. Please visit the ticket support channel to open a ticket and chat with us. If you want to reach me directly, you can DM me on my main profile. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.